Explain the difference between being emotionally stable and unresponsive when someone pulls away and how to balance them. The fine line, emotional stability versus strategic unresponsiveness. Understanding the difference. To master any relationship, you must distinguish between being emotionally stable and being unresponsive or reactive. When someone pulls away, these two get easily confused, but they produce opposite results. Emotionally stable means you respond to their withdrawal with calm dignity. It means that if they ask for space, you accept it without begging, arguing, or losing your cool. You remain a rock that isn't shaken by their temporary change in energy. You show that your sense of self-worth is not dependent on their constant attention. Unresponsive, the wrong way reactive, or being overly responsive chasing are the traps. If you are uninterested, which is too unresponsive, you might ignore them even when they are making a genuine effort, making them feel like you don't care. If you are chasing, which is overly responsive and unstable, you react to their pulling away by trying harder, sending long messages, and begging for attention, which actually pushes them further away. Strategic unresponsiveness, the right way, is a tool used in the hard red light or blackout phase. It is not about being cold, it is about giving space. You stop initiating contact and reply politely but briefly to allow them to feel your absence, which creates the curiosity needed for them to return. How to balance stability and space, a step-by-step guide. To balance these two, you must learn to read the signal before you decide how to act. Follow these steps to ensure you stay stable without becoming cold or desperate. Step 1. Identify if the withdrawal is a test or genuine effort. If she sends a low-investment message, like a random meme, it is likely a test to see if you are still available. If she says something vulnerable, like "I miss talking to you," it is genuine effort. Step 2. Apply emotional stability, the dignity response. If she pulls away, your first priority is to remain calm. Do not argue or ask, "Why are you acting like this?" Instead, say something that shows respect for her feelings, such as, "I understand. Take the time you need." This keeps your emotional balance intact. Step 3. Apply strategic unresponsiveness, the space response. If it is a test, be brief and calm. Do not jump into deep, heavy conversations immediately. Reply with enough warmth to show you are there, but enough distance to show you aren't chasing. If it is effort, be warm and receptive. This is where you move back toward the yellow light phase or building connection. You respond warmly, but you do not immediately return to 100% intensity. Let the connection rebuild gradually. Step 4. Monitor the reconnection or withdrawal. If your calm response leads her to reach out more, move back toward yellow light, connection. If your calm response leads to even more distance, you may be in a hard red light, and you must continue giving space until she shows genuine effort. The biggest mistake. The biggest mistake people make when someone pulls away is chasing, emotional instability. When they feel someone moving away, their instinct is to run toward them, sending more texts, asking more questions, and trying to fix the distance. This creates a cycle where you are always the one pursuing, which kills attraction and makes you look like you lack self-respect. Master advice for emotional control. My personal advice: control your urge to react. Most people react to a person's fear or coldness with their own way too much energy. If she cools down, you should not heat up. You should stay at a steady, warm temperature. The simple rule to remember: respond, don't react. A reaction is an emotional explosion like chasing or begging. A response is a conscious, calm choice like giving space or showing dignity. The golden rule, absence, creates curiosity. If you are always present and always chasing, there is no room for her to miss you. The simple formula for reconnection: calm acceptance plus strategic distance equals increased curiosity. Thank you for using the ultimate edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model